Nighttime. Animals huddle in a barn like a secret meeting.
Guys, I have a plan. Look at this.
What is this map?
This map will be used to build playground.
The next day. All the animals are prepared for the playground.
Huh? What's going on here? Oh no!
Yes!
Playground was ready.
Yahoo! Yes!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Yahoo!
Oh no!
Finally, all animals are happily playing in the ground. Welcome to the ultimate farm diorama. All animals are happily living in the farm. Whoa, it's a giant cow and buffalo.
Hi guys, how are you?
Huh? Oh no!
Don't worry guys, to be friendly.
Right.
Oh no!
Oh my god, it's a T-Rex.
Huh?
Escape!
Oh my god! Oh no, let's escape.
Right. Yes! Right.
Sorry guys.
Right. Yahoo! Right. Right.
Welcome to Animal Farm. All the animals are enjoying in their farm.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh my god, crocodiles are here. Oh my god, crocodiles are going to attack the farm.
Oh my god! Oh no!
What happened, guys? I got an idea. Come on, guys. Let's build a treehouse. Yes!
A few moments later.
Yes! did it, guys!
Animals are lived happily in Devon. The weather was so hot that all the water in the farm evaporated. All the animals get sick due to lack of drinking water.
What's going on here? Everyone is acting strange today.
I need some water.
Please, someone help me.
Oh no, there is no water to drink.
I can't do this anymore.
Oh my God!
Let's give them some water.
Oh no, even the well has dried up.
Hey! What is this place? Where am I? Oh my God! This is an oasis!
Oh yeah!
Let's bring my friends here too. Hey guys, I have good news. Guys, I found an oasis. Now we can drink water.
Oh yeah! By the end of the day, all the animals lived happily ever after.
Guys, come on, let's have the food.
Oh no! Oh no!
Come on, let's make a wooden bridge.
Yes! Yes!
Come on, guys.
whoa.
Yes!
Oh no!
Yes!
Oh no!
Come on, guys.
Yes! Yes!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yes!
Whoa.
Oh my god!
Yes!
Whoa.
Nah!
Oh my god!
Yes!
Oh no!
Come on, guys, let's go. Go.
Yes!
Huh? Oh my god! Oh no! Oh no!
A few moments later.
Oh no!